Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is June the 5th. We are out here in Cumming, Georgia. Went and did a consultation this morning, but I looked at two houses. She had a rental home, which we're going to squeeze that in next Friday afternoon because we already got one Friday morning. A Screen Recoat. And also, we're here. Now, we got a late start. They hired their own furniture moving. She said, Courtney, I know some guys that will move the furniture for me, but they were running behind today. She said they had something wrong with one of their vehicles, so they had to go get another vehicle. So instead of them being here between 9 and 10, they didn't get here till almost 12. So it's about 1 o'clock now. But I said, I totally understand. That's one thing about me, guys. I don't get mad because, again, I have my own business and things do happen. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a little bit over 1,700 square feet, Screen Recoat, UV Cure, and the Granite countertops. This is Mr. and Mrs. Lay. They're moving into the house. Now, they had already moved in, but they didn't have a lot of furniture. So they end up moving all the furniture back out into the office, one room that I'm not doing, you're gonna see. And then we're also gonna do their granite countertops. And Miss Lay actually said she found me on YouTube. She said, Courtney, I was just laying in the bed one day and you popped up on YouTube and it was a great time. And I think YouTube is starting to push me more in the local algorithms because I got a call on the way here from YouTube in Latonia. I also got a call yesterday from Calhoun, found me on YouTube. And then I got a few jobs that's coming up, found me on YouTube locally. So that's a good thing. So I ain't gonna complain about that. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Cumming, Georgia. All right, this is Mr. and Mrs. Lay. They are moving in. And the floors are not bad, but they're just, again, just like most floors, got some wear here and there. So we're gonna do a Screen Recoat. Like I said, it's a little bit over 1,700 square feet. And also the granite countertops. All right, so these are the floors. Come on in here. Ms. Lay, I'm doing your video because you found me on YouTube, remember? Yeah. Yeah. So these are the granite countertops we're gonna do, guys. That's like just a little rough and just need a good seal and buff and clean on them. Also this room right here, okay. On here through the kitchen. You see right here, this is the main part. This is why they hired me. It's this wear all through here, high traffic area. This entire area right here. We also want to do the stairs. This room right here, this potty room. So see the wear right here, guys, all through here. Now this is the room that we're not gonna do. They push all the furniture in here. So they wasn't fully moved in. Dining room, which is not bad at all. Stairs, definitely got some wear up and down the stairs. And then up here, this master's, half master's, because the other half is carpet. This hallway, and over here, this nice sitting area. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Truman.
Just another Friday.
Just another Friday.
Just another Friday.
Just another Friday.
Just another Friday. Just another Friday.
Just another Friday. We recoding granite countertops. Got 'em blowing. UV light and the floor keep flowing. Truman on the move and the phone stay ringing.
Just another Friday.
Just another Friday.
Making somebody happy today. Making somebody happy today. Just another Friday. Just another Friday.
Yeah, sunrise, coffee in a cup, load the van up, yeah, another one book. Customers smiling when we pull in the drive. They been waiting on Truman, now it's time to bring it back to life. Hardwood looking tired, scratches everywhere. Little bit of love and attention, now we getting there. Screen Recoat, smooth like butter. Watch that shine come alive, ain't nobody do it better. Countertops shining like they fresh from the store. UV curing got the family back on the floor. Kids running around, dog wagging his another Friday. We recoding granite countertops, got them glowing. UV light in the floor keep flowing. Truman on the move and the phone stay ringing.
Just another Friday.
Just another Friday.
Making somebody happy today. Making somebody happy today.
Yeah, just another
Friday. Just another Friday.
Atlanta traffic rolling while the city wakes up. Another homeowner saying thank you when we pull up. One day system, that's the Truman way. Start in the morning, then they walking on the same day. Blue skies, good vibes, everybody smiling. Years of hard work finally turning into mileage. One truck, one dream, built it from the ground. Now we leaving little pieces of happiness around. Floor looking fresh, countertop sparkling. Customers standing there like, man, that's unbelievable. And that's why we do it. Every house got a story and we help renew it, yeah.
Not chasing perfection,
Just showing up every day.
helping people love their homes again.
That's enough for me.
Truman, 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 Truman.
Just another
Friday.
we recoding granite countertops,
Tops.
got them glowing. UV light and the floor keep flowing. Truman on the move and the phone stay ringing.
Just another Friday.
Just another Friday.
Making somebody happy today.
Making somebody.
Making somebody happy today.
Hey, 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 hey.
Just another Friday. Just another Friday.
Yeah.
Truman, Truman. Just another Friday.
All right, guys. Floors came out great. Also the countertops. Doing the UV cure. I also booked another consultation for tomorrow morning. He's actually in the neighborhood we're going to be in Buckhead. And it's good, guys, that people watch me. They do research and they know me by name. He said, "Hey, is this Courtney?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Man, I've been watching your videos and I'm interested in the Screen Recoat process." So I told him I'll stop by tomorrow when before we go to our first job, which is a Screen Recoat UV cure and countertops. And then I have a referral that we're gonna go look at while the coating is sitting on that floor. A client that I did her floors about 2 years ago, she recommended me to one of her neighbors, and she wants a Screen Recoat. And that job, that consultation is actually in Douglasville. So that's perfect timing while the coating is sitting until we get back. All right, guys, it's gonna do it. Great Friday today. Thanks again for watching. All right, also, let me go show you the upstairs. Huh? Also, we did the stairs. Upstairs. Looks great. Hallway. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.